This is my B-38 Empire hot air engine made by Empire Metalware Company in Two Rivers, Wisconsin. I bought it last Saturday. It is electric. You can see the cord. This is the original cord from the 1930s. Uses the same plug as a coffee pot. It's been heating for a couple minutes now, so let's give it a spin. It was sold as a child's toy. You can see there's a pulley to attach the accessories to. $350 watts, which is about half that of a small coffee pot. The original ones were made without fins, and then the fins were added later to the later versions. Runs very well. I'd say the ambient temperature right here outside is in the 80s. We'll unplug the plug. It's just an appliance plug. It's made of cast iron. It's got a lot of its original paint, most of its original paint left. It's in pretty good condition for a toy of that age. Empire Metalware Company, Two Rivers, Wisconsin. They're still in business.